Ready to turn your USDT into cash without the headache? Let's dive straight into selling USDT on Blofin, making the process simple and fast. First, head to Blofin's website or open the app and log into your account if you're new. Signing up is quick and easy. Just follow the prompts to create your account. Once logged in, navigate to your wallet here. You'll see your USDT balance. If your USDT is not already in your trading account, click transfer to move it from your main wallet. Now, go to the trading section and find the USDT trading pair you want to use. Like USDT/USD, make sure you're on the sell tab, usually colored red. Choose your order type. A market order sells your USDT instantly at the best available price. A limit order lets you set a specific price you're willing to sell at. For this example, we will use market order for quick execution. Enter the amount of USDT you want to sell. You can also use the percentage buttons to sell a portion of your holdings, such as 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100%. Review all the details of your order carefully. Once you're satisfied, click the sell button to confirm. Your order should be executed almost instantly with market order. Now check your wallet to see the corresponding fiat currency, like USD, added to your balance. Finally, withdraw your funds to your bank account or preferred payment method. Blofin offers various options. Simply choose the one that suits you best and follow the instructions and you're done. Selling USDT on Blofin is that simple and secure.